Hello, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes, and I am back to show you another one of our beautiful Framer themes, which are now available for purchase from the Framer Marketplace and from coastalthemes.com. So this theme is Tallinn. It is a lovely theme that is suitable for your business, for your agency, or I like to use it for a SaaS product, and you'll see the imagery we've put into this theme has loads of SaaS imagery and product imagery, so it's great if you have your own product and you need a quick website to put together to showcase your product and its features. So this is Tallinn. It's got some really strong typography, some cool animations, and I'm going to give you a run through it now. So this is our homepage. You can see a really strong hero section and all these images you can swap out for whatever imagery fits your brand. We've got some really fun dynamic stats sections, really big heading sections. And then we really like to use the grid and create some fun like masonry and grid sections. So you can swap out these images, change up the text, and really make it your own. We have a lovely carousel testimonial section, a pricing section, which you have a monthly and yearly pricing toggle for. And just take note of all these beautiful little hovers on our buttons where buttons change color and this little arrow animates. And then this carousel section can definitely be used for any integrations your product has, any brands you've worked with, or people who are using your product. And then finally, an FAQ section, which is a accordion section, which you can use iconography in as well. And then finally, we end off our homepage and most of our pages with an email sign-up section, another great place to really showcase your product. And then finally, our footer. And obviously on Framer, these are all fully responsive, and you are welcome to delete the sections you don't need and keep the ones that you do need. They are all in components, so you can change things, reuse things, and do whatever you like once you download the Framer file. Then we'll jump into the About page. Again, we really love to use the grid and then break the grid. And then here we have a fun masonry area where you can highlight text, you can highlight images, or even videos and kind of make this your own. And then in the About page, we have these lovely tabs where you can click to tab your different content. So users don't have to scroll through streams of content, they can simply click on the tag of the information they want to read. And finally, we have a space for you to let the users click through to more information. These full sections are clickable. Again, this lovely little subtle arrow animation. And then finally, our FAQ section again and our sign up. And you can also see that the header is completely sticky. And then we'll jump into the features page. Again, this is why I would say it's a lovely theme for your SaaS product. Here you can see you can feature a screenshot of the user interface and highlight the features with some iconography or even imagery next to them. This section is really lovely. We have this carousel, which is on loop, where you can highlight more information. And finally, a testimonial style masonry section. Here you can see a video, text, and some stats of sales of your product or success. And then finally, I'll show you the blog section. So we have one CMS section, and this is for your blog posts. And this is a really great 3-column section, where in the left column is featured posts and the right column scrolls through. So that is just a really lovely little addition there. Once you click through to a blog post, you'll see we have a huge, strong hero section up here with the title, this section with a pull quote, the author, and links for your users to share. And then finally your content, which is all pulled through from your CMS. So when you download the theme, you will have all this CMS set up with some placeholder posts for you to go in and edit and delete and add any fields or extras you need. And then finally, we have Contact Us, which is a lovely Contact Us section. We've really got this rounded edges going on, and obviously you can update this to be sharp, you can fill these, you can make it your own completely, and then again a lovely big submit button. So if you like the look of this theme, you can download Tallinn from the Framer Marketplace, or you can jump to coastalthemes.com. If you scroll down, you will see Tallinn sits right here. You can click through, hit Get Framer Template, and that will take you through to the purchase page. Or you can join our club access and get all our themes. So that's all our themes. You get full support. You get access to existing and future themes. That includes early access to any new themes, and that's completely all for a lifetime. So if you have any questions or you're interested in this theme, do drop a comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.